Namaste. I am JVN Devendra Kumar Gora. Today we will learn how to use footnotes while writing our projects or any research paper. So let's begin with the lecture. What is footnote? Footnotes are the notes basically that are placed at the bottom of the page in the very end of the page means where the footer is there in between that these footnotes are used. Footnotes cite the reference or any kind of comment, any information on a designated part of the text in any information. For instance, you want to add a interesting comment in a sentence that you have written, but the comment cannot be directly placed in that particular line because it will actually distract the reader. It will mislead the argument in the paragraph. So, in that case, what can we do? We can add this particular information or a symbol in the footnote at the bottom of the page. You can reprint the symbol, insert your extra or relevant information. I will explain you by giving some examples. So when you are using footnotes, this kind of number in the first bullet I have described, the number is there. So in this way, the footnotes can be inserted. It provides some relevant additional information about that particular text that is very necessary to understand, but that cannot be expressed or explained in that particular passage. So that is why footnotes are used in any project, thesis, dissertation, or research paper. And relevant information is given at the bottom of every page. Now, every footnote that should appear in the bottom of the page that includes the number of in-text reference, the indent first line of each note, half an inch like a paragraph in the main text. In the beginning of the paragraph, we shall use the indent of point 0.5. You can use tab key that is there in the left side of the computer with the two arrows. So once you press this tab button, it will be zero point 0.5 indent. We can use a short line to separate a footnotes from the main text that will, if we are using a Word file on computer, that will be automatically inserted in the text that I will reveal you later on. Use regular text or smaller for the notes. Yeah, we cannot actually give a very lengthy information in the footnotes. We that shall not be very limited. Adequate information shall be there. The important thing is how shall we insert the footnote while we are using the computer MS Word. So this is the process to insert the footnote. First, what we have to do, we have to place the cursor wherever we want to insert the footnote. After placing the cursor, just go to the reference tab and press insert footnote button. So automatically there will a number will appear over there, and the corresponding number information related to that number can be expressed at the bottom of the page in the manner of a footnote citation, and type your footnote citation that in the end of the paper. I want to explain you by using the words file. How to minimize it. Yes. So the here you can see I have opened a Word page for you, and we will learn how to insert the footnote in that particular page. Like there are some words like dissertation is there, and we need to give some information about that, and footnote is there. Okay, we will insert a footnote about footnote. So first of all, that we need to do, we have to go to the reference tab. There, yes, here the reference tab is. So click. It's quite very slow. Then we have to reach the insert footnote. Here is it. If we click, then yes, and we can explain here additional information about any term. So footnote means additional information. कहाँ हमने enter किया था? Here at the footnote. The one number is automatically inserted over here, and the additional information that is there. Yes, that the black line is also here. Okay, if in the similar manner, if you want to add another, like at the page you want to insert a footnote, second footnote. So put your cursor here and click on insert footnote. So second footnote will appear here automatically, and we can give the extra information like this. Okay, yes, and 2 is over here. So in this manner we can insert the footnote for the use of our thesis or anything else. Thank you very much.